Welcome to my channel, Meditation and Prayer. Kundalini Stage 1. Meditation on the Root Energy Center. Kundalini Stage 1 involves the practice of meditation on the Root Energy Center together Earth position. Main element of Earth position, Prithvi Mudra, is Earth. Earth element is a vital component of bones, cartilage, skin, hair, nails, muscles, tendons, and internal organs and so forth. In the starting position, keep your body calm and relaxed. To practice this position, gently touch the tip of ring finger with thumb, while the other three fingers are stretched or set free. As a special instruction, practice is with the Root Energy Center meditation proficiently for synchronization. My name is Vikram Singh Vasati. In this video, I am going to explain the topic meditation on the Root Energy Center more clearly in simple words. I hope the result will meet your expectations. To benefit yourself fully, watch this video to the end. If you like my video, press like button. It motivates me a lot. Subscribe to my channel and keep yourself in touch with me so that you get notification of subsequent videos in time without any delay. Like, comment and share. In this channel, I shed light on the nuances of meditation and prayer. The spiritual symbol of the Root Energy Center, Muladhara Chakra, is a red-shaded lotus with 4 petals. The frequency of vibration of this chakra is 4 per second, and its main element is earth. Safety measures should be kept in view while practicing the Root Energy Center meditation. The Root Energy Center is comprised of whatever grounds you to stability in your life. This includes your basic needs such as food, water, shelter, and safety, as well as your more emotional needs such as letting go of fear. When these needs are met, you feel grounded and safe, and you tend to worry less day to day. If there is an imbalance in Root Energy Center, you may experience anxiety, disorders, fears, or nightmares. Physical imbalances may manifest as problems in the colon, with the bladder, with elimination, or with lower back, leg, or feet issues. In men, prostate problems may occur. Eating disorders may also be a sign of a Root Energy Center imbalance. How to practice it? Let meditation on the Root Energy Center together with Earth position be performed as directed. First of all, sit in lotus pose, Padmasana, and relax your body. Bend the right knee and place it on the left thigh. Make sure that the sole of the feet points upward and the heel is close to the abdomen. Now repeat the same step with the other leg, with both legs crossed and feet placed on opposite thighs. Place your hands on the knees. Keep the head straight and spine erect. Put both hands straight on the knees. Keep the neck and head in one straight line. Keep your hands on knees with palms upwards with fingers in up position. Prithvi Mudra. Focus your vision at the root energy center. Concentrate at sex glands by relaxing sacral region below navel, specifically area between sex organ and anus. Keep your eyes shut. Enter into pranayama by practicing slow and deep breathing through nose. Try to concentrate on the breathing by observing the inhalation and exhalation process. Focus on the slow and rhythmic breathing through nose. This will calm your mind. Keep spine erect, body relaxed, while breathing deeply. It is considered a new thought is born with each breath. You know that when breath is controlled, thoughts are controlled too. Simultaneously do pratyahara by the practice of turning the mind to introspection by mentally shutting out the distractions provided by the senses. You are advised to control your five senses. Do not pay attention to external distractions. Ignore your thoughts and stimuli except your point of focus. Perform at least one round of 10 deep gentle breaths. With repeated practice, you will be able to perform more and more such rounds smoothly. At the time of reaching the root energy center meditation, inhale a deep breath through nose and exhale it through mouth to come out of this stage. Take another similar breath and release it, moving to the next stage. Take one more similar breath before the start of next stage. To improve your meditation skills, always read and recommend Basati's meditation ebooks. These ebooks cover almost all aspects of meditation and prayers comprehensively. In these ebooks, the secrets of meditation and prayer are revealed through exposure to both theoretical and practical aspects. Everything has been produced in a simple and rustic language, briefly but completely and comprehensively. These ebooks offer convenience, portability, and potentially low cost. Rest assured that you will get your money's worth many times over by equipping yourself with the necessary knowledge from these ebooks. When you have these ebooks, you don't have to wander in search of knowledge. Ebooks provide flexibility, affordability, and innovative features that align with digital lifestyles, making reading more accessible and enjoyable. So try these precious ebooks at the first opportunity. Hurry up, avail 40% discount. Find the link in description. Now we are going to discuss the benefits of practicing the meditation on the root energy center to better earth position. The root energy center is associated with the physical body that includes the adrenal glands, colon, kidneys, skeleton, bones, muscles, and arteria of blood that flows through the left chamber of the heart, carrying oxygen and nutrients to your body tissues. It provides the link between your energetic system and the physical world and is your base for your life force energy. It gives you the motivation to eat, sleep, and procreate. When it comes to your psychological and spiritual nature, it helps you develop your personal integrity, self-esteem, and sense of belonging. The power of the root energy center helps you to feel grounded and connected to this earth, giving you a place for your life to take root and for the flow of energies to propel you forward on your life journey. When these energies are stuck, stagnant, imbalanced, or blocked, your vitality and zest for life are also compromised. This can happen when your sense of belonging in the world is threatened in some way or is experienced as traumatic, leaving you feeling a deep sense of insecurity. When it is balanced and energy can flow freely, it helps you increase the sense of belonging, feeling secure in your actions and choices, and have the ability to hold an increased sense of self-worth. You have improved concentration, persistence, clear thinking, and ability to set goals. Emotionally, you have passion, love, excitement, and determination. It allows you to harness courage, resourcefulness, and the will to live during challenging times. While practicing this energy center, you also secure benefits of lotus pose. Lotus pose has numerous health benefits of mentality, physicality, and spiritual energy. It helps increase circulation in the lower spine, energize and tone abdominal muscles and organs, and increase flexibility and strength in the hips, ankles, and legs. Meditation on it balances the piece of estrogen and progesterone hormones in female, testosterone and androgen hormones in males. In addition to it, you are benefited from pranayama, pratyahara, and earth position. The practice of earth position builds and invigorates the tissues and also strengthens the bones. Earth position produces stability, confidence, and strength. It helps in reducing stress, removing weakness, gaining weight, increasing blood circulation, boosting self-esteem and self-confidence. Also, it increases determination and directs individual towards spirituality. It improves digestive power, develops vitality, and removes deficiency of vitamins. The practice of meditating on the Muladhara Chakra, Root Chakra, combined with Prithvi Mudra, earth gesture, creates a powerful synergy that enhances grounding, stability, and holistic well-being. Meditating on the Muladhara Chakra, Root Chakra, alongside Prithvi Mudra, earth gesture, synergically cultivates grounding, stability, and vitality. The Muladhara, located at the base of the spine, warns survival instinct and physical emotional security, while Prithvi Mudra, formed by touching the ring finger, earth element, to the thumb, channels earth energy to nourish the body and mind. Together, they amplify grounding, alleviating anxiety and restlessness by anchoring the practitioner to the present moment. This practice strengthens the root chakra's foundation, fostering resilience, emotional stability, and a sense of safety. Prithvi Mudra enhances physical health, boosting vitality and digestion, while focused attention on Muladhara's red energy harmonizes the nervous system, ideal for stress relief. This union of mudra and chakra meditation balances body-spirit connection, promoting holistic well-being by rooting the practitioner in earthly stability while nurturing inner calm and strength. This integrative practice merges the root chakra's stabilizing energy with Prithvi Mudra's earthly resonance, offering a profound tool for cultivating security, vitality, and mindfulness. It bridges body and spirit, making it invaluable for modern life's stressors and fostering a harmonious connection to self and the environment. I hope this video meets your expectations and it adds to your knowledge and practice. Rest assured, you will always be gaining from my videos. Like my video. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do it now. Now like and subscribe to Meditation and Prayer. It means a lot to me. Thank you for watching this video.